Hey, good afternoon. I was trying to reach Epidemic Transport.
Who's this?
Sir, my name is Adam. I'm with Infinity Dispatch Services, but I hope I didn't catch you at a bad time right now.
Who?
Well, sir, basically, I'm calling from a dispatch company just to know, like, if you're facing trouble finding good paying loads from the market at the moment.
I don't know who's this, and
Sir, I'm calling from a dispatch company to know if you're facing trouble finding good loads at the moment for your
yeah.
truck. We can help you out with that.
You say a dispatching company?
Yeah, friendly Infinity Dispatch Services.
Well, what's your name though?
My name is Adam. ADAM.
Adam.
Yeah.
Yeah. So how can I help you? You said.
Well, sir, the reason of this call was just to know, the current situation of COVID-19, the market's kind of down at the moment. So if you're
Yeah.
facing trouble finding good loads, we can help you out with that.
How?
Well, first of all, like how we work, we don't only work from the load boards. We have personal contact with brokers, and you're assigned one personal dispatcher who would be working for you 24/7. So every day he's gonna hook you up with 3 loads. It's up to you whichever load you wanna take. If you're not satisfied with those loads, he's gonna contact the broker directly to get the highest paying load he can get from the market for you. Every day he's gonna keep you up and running, get you the best loads of the market, get you more gross than what others are making at the moment, and at the end of the week, you'll be ending up with a really healthy gross.
Like right now, if uh like what's the gross amounts that someone can make a month with these various things right here? You know, the
Well,
market is not good.
can I know what type of trailer do you have right now?
It's a driving
Okay, drive-in. A 53, I
53,
guess. That's
53,
great.
yeah.
So, sir, the carriers that are working with us with 53 feet drive-in right now, all over the U.S. in 5 days, they also take a weekend load. They are making weekly around 5,500 to 5,000 in this market.
5,000 a week.
Yeah, 5,500 to 5,000. Like 5,000 is the minimum, and 5,500 they also go up 5,500. That depends on like their luck and the rate at the market at the moment.
So you are a broker or you are?
No, like we are dispatch. We also have direct contact with brokers. That's what I'm telling you. Like if you don't find a good load from the load boards, we are gonna call the brokers directly and get the best load from them. Because at the moment there are some shippers in the market who want their load to be moved. So for 300 miles, they're paying us $1,000. And while you're working with us, we'll be taking care of your paperwork, your invoices, lumber, detention, Tonu, get you fuel cards. If you have taxation or insurance problem, we'll take care of that for you too. And while you're working with us, the dispatcher will hook you up with a dedicated lane. And in a dedicated lane, it doesn't matter what's the situation of the market, you're gonna get a really good gross every week, and you're gonna run every week.
I have all the fuel card and everything. Everything I have, but
That's
it's
great.
just good. Yeah, I have everything. All my fuel card and everything I have.
That's great. That's great.
So you
And
still gonna need. You still have to give me your fuel card. Your fuel card.
no, like it's only if you ever need a fuel card. Like there are some carriers that came to us and that say, like we need a fuel card. We also arrange the fuel card for them. That's the whole deal.
Okay, so what's your dispatching company? You said.
It's Infinity Dispatch, and right now, due to the COVID-19 situation, we know the market's kind of down and people cannot afford higher rates. So we only charge $150 at the end of the week.
You say Infinity Dispatching.
Yeah, Infinity Dispatch Service. If you want, I can send you an email with my company details along with our legal documents.
And okay, and you say so you only charge 150 at the end of the week. So you
Yeah,
don't take by you don't take by
advance?
by loads. No, you
No,
don't
no.
take by percentage like other people do.
No, nothing. We only charge 150 at the end of the week, nothing in advance, and there's no fixed contract with us. If you're not satisfied up from the loads, you can leave whenever you want. You won't be charged a single penny.
So where are you located? Like, where
Well,
is your dispatching service is located?
right now at the moment everyone is working from home due to the COVID-19, but our office is located in Clemens, North Carolina.
In North Carolina.
Yeah.
So you only take, you say 150 a week.
Yeah.
Right. But everybody, I've been working with a lot of dispatchers, and they always say things like that, but then it's not true.
Well, that's the
'Cause
reason, sir. Yeah, go on, go on.
I have my own fuel cards, my own everything. I have myself.
I know, I get your point, but the whole deal with us is like there's no fixed contract. That's the reason why we don't keep a fixed contract, because we know that when a carrier works with us, he's gonna get the best gross. He will be satisfied and he will keep on working with us. This won't be just another dispatch company for you. We can promise you that this is going to be a benchmark for future businesses for you. Your satisfaction is going to be top priority. That's the reason of the whole no contract thing. Like you can leave even after 4 loads, you won't be charged a single penny.
Okay, so at the end of the week, you just
Yeah,
take 150. That's it.
yeah.
No matter how much my truck made it for that week, you usually gonna take 150.
Yeah, 150. If it's 5,000, 5,500, or even 6,000, it's just gonna be 150.
Okay, so how did you get my number?
Sir, it's from the site called Safer FMCSA.
So you went on the FMCSA and then you start getting everybody's number, call them and see if they can work with you.
No, because it's not like that. Our sales campaign was over, but due to the COVID situation, like we spoke with a lot of carriers, they told us like they were having problems, and we were getting reference calls from the carriers that were working with us. So we decided to
Yeah.
launch the campaign once again. Our charges before the COVID-19 were like 300 per truck, and we had a lot of trucks working with us. But due to the COVID-19, many people were not getting better loads. I had like 2 customers who called me after 2 months, like they were sitting home for a whole week, not getting good loads, and they wanted to sign up. That's the whole reason we started the campaign once again. So if someone is having problem finding good loads, we will only charge them 150. That 150 goes directly to the dispatcher. No one is keeping anything from that because the dispatcher is working hard for you. And if he
Okay,
can
so
help you out, yeah, go on.
you before the COVID, you take 300 per truck
Yeah, we were
a week,
charging 300 per truck.
every week.
Yeah, because the carrier were Even on drive-ins, they were making with us 8,000 to 9,000.
Yeah, the things, things change.
I
Uh,
know.
the markets go down and go up. So you take 300 on, even when the market is down, even when the market is up, you still don't taking $300.
So while you're signing the contract with us, it is stated that it doesn't matter how the market is going. It's our job to get you the best loads. That's the whole deal, that we work directly with brokers, because they, even if the market is paying 800, 900 for a load, the broker is going
Yeah.
to give us the same load for 1200 or 1300. Hello, sir. You there?
Okay, so this is your phone number.
Yeah, this is my phone number. If you want, I can send you an email with our company details along with our legal documents.
So when you dispatch the people that you work with, do you send them the rates information? They know how much is that load paid, or you just tell them, okay, the load pays this much, but in reality, it pays more than it.
No, no, you're going to receive the rate con directly, so you know the load is paying that much. You can even ask that up to the broker, what's the rate, and he'll confirm you it's the same as the rate con. Because we don't take anything off of your load, and to be honest, we don't have any right to take percentage of your load. It's your money.
And then at the end of the week,
Yeah, you're
I
gonna
will
get
have.
a call from the accounts office, and they're going to ask you for the invoice of $150, and then you'll pay the 150.
You send the invoice by like email. You email me the invoice, so I see. Okay, that's the invoice. I have to send them a check. I have to pay electronically. That's how you do.
Yeah, like we also have payment forms. Like you can fill up the payment form. They'll call you like we are about to charge the invoice. Is it okay with you? When you give them the go ahead, they're going to charge the invoice. You'll get a call from your bank that these guys are charging this amount. And if you're okay with that, you'll tell them like, okay, let them charge, and they'll charge the 150. And even if you want to like do the EFS electronic check, it's up to you. We take all methods of payment.
So you say when the market is good, how much is the people that you dispatch make, and when the market is down, like you always do every year, when the market is down, how much is your people make?
Well, in the winter, like winter market was kind of down for dry vans and also for reefers.
Okay.
Our carriers were still making 7,000 to 8,000 with us on a dry van. And right now,
Okay.
it's all unfortunate due to the COVID-19. But if it wasn't for the COVID, right now, the market of the summer, our dry vans would be making around 10,000, 9,000, 11,000. It depends on how much they want to work, how much miles they want to go on to.
That's it. That 11,000. That's a week or a month.
Yeah. No, no, a week.
11,000 a week
Yeah, you don't know about the summer market? The summer market in the Midwest is the best.
on the drive in.
Yeah, on the dry van. We even have invoices still of our carriers. See, that's the whole point of the personal dispatcher. One guy sitting 24 hours for you on the load boards. Whenever he gets the best load, he's going to hook you up. If there are no good loads, he's going to contact directly to the broker. Every day he's hitting you up with loads for $1,500, $2,000, $2,100.
Okay, so you said the summer when the market is good, with no this COVID things. it costs. You can make 11 to 12,000 a week.
Yeah.
And then in the winter, when the markets go down, with the reefer, you could make 8,000.
Yeah.
7,000. You said 7,000, 8,000.
Yeah, same with reefer and dry van both.
Okay, so this number right here, it's just it's if I call you, the one who's gonna answer the phone or somebody else, it's the office phone number.
It is the office phone number. That's the reason why I'm asking for your email. I can send you my direct number and my company details on your email.
Okay. Okay. Let me give you my email address so you can. My email address is Taylor.
Yeah.
Keshala.
Taylor Shallow.
88@gmail.com.
88@gmail.com. Got it, Taylor.
Yeah, it's like Taylor, Taylor,
Yeah.
KASHALA, 88 of numbers, A.
Yeah, @gmail.com. Got it.
Yes.
Got it. I'll send you my company details. You can have a look at them. I won't rush you. And how about I call you tomorrow to talk further about this?
Okay, and is this your company or is this somebody else's company?
No, I'm just a worker. Like, I have a boss on top of me. He's the owner of the company.
Who?
His name is Omar Rashid. He's the owner of the company.
His name is Omar.
Yeah, Rashid.
Who? Indian?
No, he's from Saudi Arabia, basically.
You from there too?
Yeah, I'm from there too. Originally, I'm from Saudi Arabia. I just moved to USA like a year ago.
Oh. Okay. You send me an email with all the details, like you said, and
Yeah.
your personal number also.
Sure, I'll be doing that, sir. And I'll be calling you tomorrow to talk further about this, okay?
Okay, no problem. Thank you.
Sure, no problem. Have a good day.
Thanks.